Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to rename a table in MySQL, and if you have a multiple tables you can rename it once. So this thing we will learn step by step, we will not escape any steps. So let's log into MySQL and rename a table. So let's close this one. Go to this PC, go to C drive, go to XAMPP, and here is a MySQL and then bean, and just simply type cmd like this. So let's log in to a MySQL. For that we need to put MySQL -u for username, and our username is root, and -p, and hit enter. It will ask you a password, so my password is blank, so I will hit enter. So now we have successfully logged in to MySQL. Then we need to show a list of databases, so databases, and hit enter. So here is a database we want to use, testdb, so use testdb and hit enter. So database has been changed, so let's show a list of tables in the database. So tables like these and hit enter. So now we have two tables, post and test. Okay, so we will rename this table. First we will rename a single table, then we will rename a multiple tables. Okay, so let's rename this post to post. Okay, so for that we have a simple query, which is rename like this, rename table, and our table name, which table we want to rename, and we want to rename this table post. Okay, this table post to means this table to post, simply post. Okay, just I'm remove this s from here. Okay, and semicolon and hit enter. So our query has been affected and it's renamed. So let's check it's renamed or not. So again, just show tables and semicolon and hit enter. So guys, as you can see, in a previous we have a table post, but now we have a post table. Okay, so let's rename this test to test table. Okay, so let's like this, rename test to test table like this, and hit enter, and then check it's renamed or not. So tables, and you can see now we have a test table, and previous one we had a test table. So now we have understood how to rename a table, single table. Now we will understand multiple tables at once. Okay, so we will rename this post table to post underscore table, and test, and rename test underscore table to test again. Okay, so for that, in a single query, okay, at once all the tables we will rename at once. So for that, rename table like this, and hit enter. Okay, we can write a query like this. If you didn't put a semicolon, you can write your queries in multiple lines. So rename table and a table name. Okay, and our table name is post is the old name. Okay, and to this post to, we want to rename it post table and comma, and hit enter. And the next table is test table to test, simply test. Okay, so if you have a one more table, so in a database you can put a comma and hit enter, and just same query you can type bottom of that this line. Okay, but we have only two tables, so I'm just putting a semicolon. Okay, and hit enter. We are expecting both the tables will be renamed at once, so let's hit enter. So you can see query has been executed, query is okay, the rows are affected, and it's time something like it means you have a successfully renamed both the tables at once. So let's check. So tables semicolon and hit enter. So now we have a table. First, previous one we had a post and test table, but now we have a post underscore table and test. Okay, so this way we can rename our tables. This is very useful queries if you are learning a MySQL. So this will help you a lot. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and if you have any questions and queries, you can write a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.